Oh shoot, you're finally in. What's going on? Hey, Blue 5, I haven't seen you in a while. But Pam, yeah. I don't know what happened before, but I guess, I don't know if it was a technical issue or whatever, but good to see you. Good to see you on the stream. What is going on with you, Blue 5? Have you settled in to your new place already, or are you still in the process? What's the update? How have you been? And let me know, mic check, if you can hear me. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Just setting up here, just to like see what's up. How can I do this? You couldn't get in yesterday. Whimsy check. Okay. I haven't seen her in a while too. Like, I haven't seen her since last week, or maybe the week before, but I can't remember. Oh shoot, Eric G. Yes, sir. This is Lion. Eric G. What's up, man? Glad to finally see you on the channel, bro. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's popping? What's popping? Got the Modelos ready. Try to crack up a good one, a cold one, and relax for a bit. I might have to still in the process, moving equipment, getting unbolted. Flatbed truck and operator hiring is a long, headache, full process. Dude. Damn. Especially when it comes to long travels like that too, as well. Oh man, it's a big transition. It's definitely a big transition. I gotta go and look at my phone. Look at my phone for a second, and I gotta open my chat on my phone. That way I can do two things at the same time. For some reason, that's what I do. But since I don't have two screens, this is something that I usually do. So yeah, Travis on here too. Man, show some love. And just to start off the stream, we already have a little push here on the 5-minute candle. Let's go to Weeble to see more in depth of what's going on. And yeah, there's seems to be some buying pressure happening on GameStop. So currently trying to come back up and gain back everything that was sold off here during after hours. I didn't even quite see the fact that it actually tried to hit $31 earlier in aftermarket hours, right around 5:20 to 5:30, and yeah, even the RSI is here trying to bounce up, and MACD shows the same thing too as well. So that's pretty cool. Pretty stoked about it. Get it? Travis Stokes. Just stoked about it. My stalking skills slacking. Yeah, you slacking, bro. So Lion, why are we not rich yet? Question is why haven't I gotten enough? Why haven't I gotten enough contracts? why don't I have contracts right now? Because I'm stuck in the SPY right now. Ephraim, good to see you. Good to see you on the stream too. Shout out to everybody who's joining right now. Kai Supreme, flame on, brother. Wow, is this exciting or what? This is some interesting shares orders here coming in. You got a 239 share order for 28.30, 391. It seems odd for an unusual order that starts with a 0 and a 5. 88, 88, 84. Oh my god, I think we're right on time, guys. We're right on time. Blue corn whiskey. Tell me more about that. I've never heard of that. Been in my own little world. Speaking of whiskey, I had a bottle back last year, and it was called Virgil Cane, and it was a ginger infused whiskey bourbon. That is really but look at the orders. This seems actually, that is actually interesting. Double digit orders. That is a really nice candle. I wonder what's happening here. Gorilla Glue Roll. Can we actually? I mean, this setup is looking pretty good so far. And seeing what happens here in the next 5-minute candle, we break over that 50-day moving average. We could see some crazy moves here. And get a little spicy, in my opinion. But yeah, everybody, welcome to another edition of the stream with yours truly, Landable Trades. Again, shout out to everybody who's joining and who's here right now, just to chill, to vibe, and of course, nothing but positive vibes, because that's all we need. Love and respect is all we need. And and of course, anything that's being said on the stream and on the chat is strictly in our opinion. So yeah, we could talk about anything you want. We could talk about bourbon whiskey, we could talk about tequila, we could talk about cheap beers, we could talk about what the price is doing right now on GME and correlating to AMC too as well. But wow, okay, so now that I'm seeing AMC, it's been, you know what's interesting? It's been barcoding for the past 2 days. What you guys think? You had seen some barcoding action throughout pre-market. Seen some type of barcoding here during FOMC yesterday. Going in towards this is aftermarket. Excuse me. Aftermarket going into pre-market today. Which means that there's not really much activity happening other than the fact that, of course, as you know, GameStop and AMC correlated within the algos, and whatever happens with GME, then AMC follows. You know, so thank you, Pam. Thanks for showing some love and support and hitting that like for real. What is this? Where the blue corn grows. I like Gush mints for my top strain. Are we talking about weed? Damn. Very good. Frame says I like apple red ale. Dude, apple red ale. I haven't seen that in ages, dude. I remember drinking red apple ale. Was it back in 2015? But I like ciders. I like things related to apple when it comes to beer. Is there any evidence T1 settlement is doing anything? Well, there is speculation that there, since there is some type of hold on, there's gonna be a lot of noise in the background, so sorry about that. Oh my God, look at that! Oh, that's a nice pop right there. That's a nice pop, and even the 7-day simple moving average is curling up too as well. It wants to meet up with this 50-day simple moving average. So if we get this, chances are we will be able to witness a big push, potentially. God, this is so sorry, man. I'm in the background, and let's see. Did the Angry Orchard? Yeah. I haven't even had Angry Orchard in a long time either. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, we got a little bouncy bounce here, a little curl up on the MACD, and also here in the Elliott wave. It's gotten so hot. This is how you can be able to tell when things are getting hot and spicy, and flaming bananas. That's what it's happening over here. Get out. What is this? Okay. What is this? Hold on. Yeah, you got this area. And red hot. And then you got the banana coming right up. Just how she likes it. So Benjamin, what's up? What's up? Last time I saw you, Benjamin, you had just missed the stream. I think it was last week. As soon as I cut it off, and then I saw you pop in. But it's good to see you. Good to see you on here. How's everything with you, Benjamin? Yeah, we're waiting on Momo too. I think Momo said he was gonna come on to the stream too and chill with us. But overall, I like this. I think somebody else, I don't know if it was Boss Blunts, saying how things could happen during the overnight market trading. And look, this is really starting to become a nice setup right now. You guys are witnessing it live on the stream. Shoot, might as well just start putting up flaming bananas on the chat. Get some flaming bananas on there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get some flaming bananas. But it's good to see everybody here, fam. I'm just here trying to look at other stuff too as well. But then again, I can't seem to like stay away. Oh my God, why is she so loud? God damn. Oh, dude. Flaming text for YouTube. Wait, hold on. I think it's supposed to accept that. Hold on. I gotta go back to that because for some reason YouTube is flagging flaming bananas and it's not allowing you to do it. So I gotta go ahead and manually show the flaming bananas. God, hold on. One second right now. I gotta pop the chat. I gotta pop it real good. Flaming chorizo, flaming longaniza. You know, they're giving this man such a fun time in his stream right now. I feel so bad. 2684. All right, let me go ahead and oh wait, I can see it here. Wait, somebody accepted the oh wait, it was Blue 5. Blue 5, thank you for accepting the flaming bananas. Oh man. So let's just give a little update here on what's happening with GameStop currently. So as you know, here as more than an hour ago, we had the cost to borrow fee actually move up a little bit from 8.41%, now at 9.64% with only 3,800,000 shares available. So it's kind of climbing up just a little bit. No, Travis, that's actually my sister. She has a big mouth. But I'm kind of with I'm with somebody who's close to being a Latina. pero yo sé un poquito de español, tú sabes. Yo sé hablar el idioma. Si tú quieres. Oh man, let's see. What does the short interest say? The fact that they don't really update this short interest data on this, so I'm gonna go and find out on Fintel. Maybe they'll have some type of update here on no, drinks horchata. No. Horchata. It sounds yeah. She doesn't. No, I'm not Mexican. I'm Dominican and Puerto Rican. There, you know a thing about me now. So let's see. He's currently 46,538,235 shares short interest. Only 0.26 days to cover. Damn, it should be a lot more. Short interest percentage of the float is 14.86%. Huh. What do you guys think about that? Man, that is a big jump though, from 2.35% to the max of 9.64. There was actually a fluctuation in cost of borrow fees here on the 11th of June, from the start of 14.47% down to a minimum of 3.67. The max 14.47. So there, this is that's pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting here. Where is? Did I close it? I think I closed it. Oh damn. Okay. I had trading. Oh no, wait. I think it's here. Is it here? No, it's not here. What did I do? Jesus. No. Johnny Almuerzo Rodriguez is in the chat, guys. Oh. So what's up? What's up, Johnny? Good to see you on here. Still waiting on specific someone. Travis, you just read my mind, because that's the person that I am looking for, and she hasn't arrived yet. Looking forward to her presence and seeing what is going on. Is she rich yet or not? Let's see what happens. Setup is actually turning into like somewhat of a little bull flag here. I like this because the Elliott wave here seems to be climbing up a bit more. It hasn't lost any momentum here. Again, this is the 5-minute chart, and you know this is how it's supposed to look like. So for reference, this Elliott wave has to get a little bit more lighter, like on the yellow side, bright yellow. So this is what it has to happen here on in this occasion, and seeing if we can actually break over this last wick here at 2872. Wow, I got the price here all mixed up. But we're really looking to see if GME can actually make some big moves, as some might claim to do during the overnight market hours. So we're gonna check that out in the next 7 minutes on Robinhood, and yeah, we'll see what's up. Question for everyone: What do we think SPY does tomorrow and next week? I would love for the SPY to just collapse and go to the shitters and print my puts, because I really need my money back. And I wanna be able to get some AMC leaps. I mean, I could get GME too as well, but I need this to come to fruition and see what SPY does. But as of right now, SPY is only at 0.01%, and that it closed at $542.45 a share. So I'm not quite excited about that. And I really hope that changes within the next day, because quite frankly, there's just a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of fear going on here, and not only that, but there's a lot happening with the dollar, and as you know, Saudi is cutting the petrodollar. We're looking at a potential de-dollarization, in my opinion, and it could happen this year. It can happen tomorrow. I mean, who knows? That's why I've been saying that these next 2 weeks, which is pretty much the last week and this week. Well, actually, no, this week and the week after coming up was going to be a very, very crucial and very important. And the fact that if this comes to fruition, and then we don't even know what's to come tomorrow, but man, I mean, like, you could also see it in Bitcoin too as well. And Eric just mentioned too about crypto. Let's see, crypto. If that happens, belly flop in my pool 100 times. I can't take it no more. We could check crypto right now. Bitcoin, real quick. And I did mention this too as well. It really hasn't been coming back up over the 200-day simple moving average at 67,000. And it's looking weaker. It's right below that, and you already know that once this is below the 200-day simple moving average, this is looking for more divergence, or aka more room to the downside. And you can see it here too as well. Now remember, this is not as accurate. I mean, this could be 99% accurate with the indicators here that's on my TradingView chart, but we did get a signal here as of as of 7:50. A bearish signal, and then a continuation here, and that looks like that it could come back down even more, perhaps here at the level at 66,005. If we see a flush, and you already know that's a sign right there for more downside to continue. So that's also what I'm looking for. Currently, let's see what else is going on. We got we got the dollar index. We got the dollar index here consolidating, which looks to be a bullish pennant. and it's looking to want to gap up. So yeah, just check out the setup right here. The setup is looking pretty crazy. Look, it's actually moving up. And if we break past here, past 105.25 and beyond, you already know that the market is going to start to come back down. And we will definitely see that red day tomorrow for the SPY and for overall markets. Not hoping that it will actually have some type of influence with the memes. Let's see. It's like a perfect storm setup. Cuban Missile Crisis, Ukraine giving the green light to attack Russia by the U.S. Have I mentioned that FJB has actually given Ukraine the prize another $50 billion in aid in the G7 summit? Another $50 billion. Unbelievable. You may ask yourself, where are they printing this type of money, huh? They really have a lot of money to give away, huh? How about that generous donation? $50 billion, here you go. Do the hell whatever you want with it. And we have 1 more minute until after market hours is over. And it seems like GME is actually struggling to stay above here, based on this chart here, above the 50-day moving average. They want to try to beat this down. Let me just go quickly and check. Let's see. Got the time and sales here. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out in the next half a minute, and we're gonna take a look at what happens in the 24-hour markets. Dude, Blue 5, don't say that, because you're gonna get me all scared. Shoot. Kevin is here. Oh, okay. Kevin in the house. Let's freaking go. What's going on with you, Kevin? Kevin en la casa, ya tú sabes, Kevin aquí, hangueando con nosotros. Aquí son las 8 de la noche, and is the end of after market hours. As you can see right here, closing at $28.36. $28.36, and now we're gonna switch over. Actually, as a matter of fact, hold on. Oh wow. Hey, as I've noticed here, massive volume here for the $30 strike, expiring tomorrow. 29,005 open interest at the time of this closing, and 62,506 volume. That is huge, humongo. I wonder if that was all for today. If there was a lot of volume in particular. You know what? As a matter of fact, let's go find out, because I know we can actually view it as. Oh no! Oh, I can't even look. Oh shoot! I gotta subscribe to real-time quotes. I wanted to see the time and sales for those. I wanted to see the time and sales for those calls. Why don't you have super chats? Asks Travis Stokes. It's because I haven't made it to 400 and no, I haven't made it to 500 subs. I haven't made it at all. I'm hoping maybe Mr. Beast can help me. Please, Mr. Beast, and gift me some million subs. Oh my god, why is my sister so freaking loud? Can you guys actually hear her? My goodness. Exercise plopsicle, dude. That's a new one. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and check out. Oh wow. Wow, wait, hold on. Blue 5, did you jinx the dollar? Did you jinx it? Look at this massive red candle here on the 5-minute for the DXY. Peace, love, happiness, health, and wealth. That is the goal. That is the goal. I'm open to accomplish that goal this year. I already have the love, but I need everything else. Wow, I wonder what's happening here. We're seeing this right now live as we're seeing a huge rejection on the DXY, the 5-minute chart. Let's go ahead and see. Let's see. Hold on. 28.36. Okay. Yeah. What is this? Okay, so it actually. Okay, so it's actually trying to stay above now. 28.38, so just 2 cents up from where it was. Chris Wilson, welcome back. Yeah, it just sounds like a megaphone. This is why I. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like kind of warning you guys that you're gonna hear a lot of noise in the background, and yeah, she has a megaphone for her mouth. Good lord. It's all right though. It's all right. We're chilling. Let's go over some quick updates here. So I don't know if you've seen. I know DZ had posted something about the shareholder meeting. I just found out here on Twitter that they had moved again the meeting here as of 5:30 p.m. today. Benzinga here posts on Twitter that GameStop's virtual annual meeting adjourned due to technical difficulties rescheduled to June 17, 2024 at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is on Monday, next Monday. This is a press release. Why is anybody knows why that was the case? Why all of a sudden a technical difficulty? Yeah, it's too much, but we need the closed captions here. Need some translations. No, she's not single, unfortunately. Oh man. So let's see what else is going on. Okay, so the Roaring Kitty claws back. GameStop stock pops on position update from Keith Gill. What you need to know. Oh boy, I mean, what can we actually say about this? Let's see. Silly with my 9 milli. I'm pretty sure you guys know already, because a whole bunch of YouTubers, and I mean a lot, because you know what? You know what's funny? And I'm probably considered to be a random YouTuber too as well, but I've never seen any of these other YouTubers pop up talking about GameStop and everything, but all of a sudden the algorithms just, YouTube is like, oh, here, this is what's happening. Here are some people here that are talking about GME. Boom. And then I'm seeing here people that I've never even knew about. I'm like, wow, who's this? Who's this? And they're all talking about the same thing. Of course, I might as well just, be able to talk about it. And here it is. And the whole deal with the $20 calls that he apparently sold. And he sold it for profit. Well, as you know, that's what investors should do in these types of situations. But he's now an owner of 9 million shares, and he's up from 5 million. So I'm a little dollar cost averaging there. So he's huge on his position. And the change was noticed yesterday by Unusual Whales, and they were the first to know about this position. So that is pretty interesting there. Let's see what's going on here. Mucho Español. Berm Stock says it's Monday. Welcome to the stream, Berm Stock. Appreciate you being here. Let's see. Eric, I quit drinking. Dude, I quit drinking too. For now. Yeah, I gotta take care of my liver for now. Let's see, Eric G, me too. Close to the moon. He's got a year to sober up. Let's go, Travis. Thoughts on it? Kitty made his calls, which means Wolverine needs to deliver all those calls tomorrow. So that, there you go. So Blue 5, there you go. That whole T1 settlement, remember, it's actually in effect. And if you guys didn't know, when you sell your calls, it only takes 1 day to settle. And you get your buying power back, and it's usually settled afterwards to be able to trade again. So I'm guessing with that included, and knowing the fact that he exercised the majority of his calls, they have to settle for those trades, and they have to fetch him those shares. And therefore, yeah. Where are they? Because I'm gonna need those shares tomorrow, and I need them to hit tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the morning, pre-market, so that I can become a billionaire. So I feel like, that is one of the reasons that I feel like could cause GME to see some type of craziness. And if not now, during the 24-hour market here on Robinhood, then perhaps maybe pre-market. So TikTok, just like Eric G is saying right now, Schwab T1 solid. I believe, so Schwab T1 solid, Robinhood T1 solid, Webull, SoFi, other E-Trade, all these brokers. So this is a one step forward into the right direction. So let's all quickly. There's Johnny. There's a TV on, and then there's now it's a lot louder than my family talking, because I guess they figured out that I was streaming out here. Let's see. You're a good ambassador. I finally succeeded and caught the lion. I got a process I need to get through starting tomorrow. All will be good. Just my cancer. Wow, dude. Shoot. Man, I am praying for you, Travis. And yeah, nothing but positive vibes. Find anything necessary that you can do to be able to treat that as fast as you can, and hopefully go back into remission and not being able to see that cancer at all, dude. For real, dude. Nobody should be going through that at all, especially during these times, man. So yeah, man, I nothing but prayers for you, Travis, and I really hope for a speedy recovery afterwards, and you get back on track, and you'll be able to celebrate with everybody here for sure when it happens. So yeah, Benjamin, thank you, man. Thank you for real for those words. I will definitely manifest that too as well for everyone here, including yourself on this stream. That is the ultimate goal for everybody here, and for everybody to have the same thing too as well, because this blessing is definitely what we need. There's a lot of turmoil happening out there. There's a lot of turmoil happening in the markets. We see the signs. We know what's happening. It's just we all have to, keep our heads high. Be patient. Stay zen, like Zelly Zen. And afterwards, when this thing happens and we get our gains, we can be able to focus on those areas in life, and especially health, because health is wealth. Just like how I need to do too as well. I need to make sure that I'm good at the end of the day, so I can be able to live in my potential riches, just like how you guys want to live in your potential riches and live a happy life, not being able to worry about anything, no stresses at all. I know there's still going to be some challenges up ahead, but still, at least you're going to be stable enough. You're going to be, you're going to be well off and in a better position that you've ever been in your life. And again, that's what I hope for everybody to happen. And yeah, just stay strong for sure. That is my mensaje to everybody. Hopefully everybody else who wasn't able to participate in the stream can also hear me out, and hopefully they go through the same thing too as well. So let's get it. And I know for a fact, I need to go back on chat because somebody had mentioned GTII. I'm sorry I missed your comment. I'm trying to look for it. Let's see what happens. I don't know if anybody was able to look at it, but let's see. Darn it! I think I missed it. But I think we're seeing some positive moves for GTII. I was just noticing that earlier. So hold on, maybe I can see it from here. Let's see. Just give me 1 second. I'm looking at the chat right now previously. Stokes. Damn, where'd it go? Yeah, I can't seem to look at. I can't see the message. Oh man, now I cut it off. Damn, I messed up. Damn, I'm gonna have to look early. I'm gonna have to look later into the chat. So Ephraim, you said you need AMC to hit $72 per share. Is that below your current average? Because I can tell you for sure that 72 could be just a breeze, in my opinion, of course. Perhaps double that. Maybe 140 for AMC. There's a lot of speculation when it comes to price targets. And I would love to see that. I would love to see that for sure. Man. Let's go back here and see what's going on. 20. That's not the price. 28.32. So it's still, so far, it's still above. Well, just or right on where it closed. So we're consolidating, and we're trying to see within the next 10 minutes if we see some movement on GME. As of right now, I mean it's been in a nice upward channel. If you can actually see that, technically this is the 5-minute chart, but we have this going on. So if we can actually break out of this channel, then we can actually see GME pop right back up to 20, almost $29 come this pre-market. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, that would be cool. That'd be cool to finally get to 500 subs. That's something that never happened to me in my life. So there's always a first for everything, and yeah, hopefully it happens sometime soon. And I could be able to continue to do this, as a hobby, as something that I like to do casually. Just talk with everybody and chill and see what's going on. It's awesome. I like it. So much love to everybody here, and again, shout out to everybody who decided to take the time out of their day and their night to be here. Much love to everybody, for real. What's going on with your picture? What is this? That Chihuahua's drunk? What's wrong with the Chihuahua's eyes? Oh, that's funny. This says, something great brought us together, brother. I feel good on this ride. I sleep well, laugh, smile. We're good. A winner's strut. Travis is like, just like Conor McGregor. We're gonna all like at the same time just stick side by side and just do the strut at the same time. Demon dog. Oh, okay. Well, there's some interesting developments here. It seems like the dollar index is actually climbing. It's actually climbing here, and it actually broke. Over 105.25. So let's see what's actually happening in futures, because that usually indicates that the market is actually coming back down. So let's go ahead and see the futures. Let's see what's happening here. Not much happening, but I would like to see that nice. I'd like to see that nice red candle just do this like that, you know? That'd be great. 420 Chihuahua. For real, for real. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened to Zully. She's usually here. She's usually on here. You know, she's a main mod. But yeah, she's definitely missed, for sure. She's definitely missed. Probably oversleeping, but you know. Wait, Pam, you're a 420 Chihuahua? Oh my god. Oh, thank you, Travis. Thank you. I'm pretty sure she is listening in. She's trying to see if I'm gonna say anything anything that's gonna catch her attention and be like, so what did you say about me, Lion? You know what? And then she shoves a middle finger in my face. And then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be like, oh really? Take this finger, and then take my finger, and then we're gonna do a heart. It's gonna be like let me see. I think I've seen a GIF somewhere. Let's do it here. So it's gonna be like this. Oh, actually, now that you guys mention it, yeah, let's talk about it. Cause you know, in the meantime, while we're looking at the current price action for GameStop on Robinhood on the 24-hour market, we can definitely take a look at that big cooler, and see what's happening. Because, in my opinion, as I looked at cooler today, and I brought it to the attention there on DZ stream. There's an interesting setup. I mean, even here on the 5-minute chart, we got a nice setup here, which looks like an ascending triangle. Maybe I'm doing this right. rate my TA. There you go. Maybe this is this looks right. But even here you got this establishing a bottom here in the MACD. So if we actually just look in a little closer, you can see a little breakout here, a little convergence on the 5-and-1 MACD, and you see that the Elliott wave plus TTM squeeze, it's getting a little hot, and it's getting tight right here, enough for the momentum to shift to the upside, just like it did over here earlier today. But let's see, let me just reset this, boom, and bring this down, and just quickly show you the larger time frames, like the 24-hour. This actually caught me by surprise, because this kind of reminds me of what you know what's interesting? This looks like the same setup that Faraday did. before here. And let's see. Let's see something here. Cooler. And this is just on the daily too as well. But I like it because we have that potential for Cooler to actually start filling a little small gap here. But do we see a gap here? Is that what we're seeing? Because this could actually break over 40 cents mañana, and then try to come back to test the 50-day simple moving average at 45 cents. Data Zero hopping onto the stream. What is going on, man? Like and sub. Thank you for showing some love. And hopefully everything is going well with you, Data Zero. And like the video earlier, well executed. And we're trying to see what happens next week on Monday, due to the fact that they had to reschedule the shareholders meeting for Monday due to a technical difficulty. Huh? Yeah. That's weird to me. Why do they need to go through a technical difficulty? Why? That's so weird, huh? That's I don't know. Have you ever heard of a shareholder meeting get canceled and moved to a further date because of technical difficulties? And why it had to be GME out of all other stocks? Makes you wonder, right? It makes you wonder if they needed some type of delay to do other things. But that's probably just speculation. So who knows? I don't know. But I really did find that really intriguing. I just found out about it. So, yeah. Just quickly look here. Even the 2-day, I mean, I don't know if you guys usually check out the 2-day chart, but even the 2-day chart, it looks nice. And we have a here which could result in a hammer candle tomorrow. I mean, if it can actually test 40 cents tomorrow and have some more upside potential, this could actually play out to be a new cycle, a new bullish trend, and also the break here potentially for convergence, momentum to the upside. My God, man, her loud ass mouth. God. And then also here the Elliott wave with the TTM squeeze is actually getting a little hot as well. So I consider this to be more confirmation of more push to the upside. Blue 5 is calling it a night. He has a lot more work to do, and hopefully his move is successful. So say goodnight to Blue 5. It's been real, and I'll see you again in another time. So for real, thank you. It's good to see you. Let's go check out the 4-hour real quick. The 4-hour, as you know, here, the 7-day simple moving average just crossing over the 50-day simple moving average. So this is that nice confirmation there too as well, that we are moving up to the right direction. and coming from the bottom of which was at 25 cents here before at around June 7th. That is pretty neat to say. So again, 40 cents. 40 cents could be that potential level. If bullish, we break over, then we can see a potential to test the 200-day simple moving average at 45 cents and change. And perhaps it could catch people's attention too as well, because to be quite frank, it's still a small cap stock. It's only 69.78 million, which is quite relatively a little slow. I mean, a little low. But the average volume it's actually getting close to the average of 3.62 million, but today traded at 2.96 million. Shares flow. The shares flow is only 144.51 million. And the next earning reports is in 62 days. Robert Kennedy, what's good? Welcome back to the stream. What's going on with you, man? Ibrahim. Thank you for the sub. I just got your notification, so thank you so much for being an addition to the Lion's Den. So real quick, that is the little quick what's that quick like 3 times hypothetical TA. So bullish case scenario, we already got this. Long term, 50-day simple moving average turning back around, rebounding, trying to climb up. Hopefully it would be something like this, and again, just don't take it as such, but NFA, this starts to move up, and this trend, and then have this also follow too as well, then we will actually see that move to the upside. That would actually be pretty cool. We have a nice potential for a golden cross. So that golden cross could it could happen next week. Forecasted, in my opinion. Yeah, man. Glad to see you here too as well. So thank you. Robert, everything's good with you, man? Are you chilling? Are you ready? Are you ready for tomorrow? 1 hour. Oh, ooh. See, this is looking pretty nice. The hourly looks strong too as well. On the hourly, we got that golden cross here initiated, and all the candles here trading above the 50-day simple moving average, and now we have these 2 candles above the 7-day simple moving average. So that is actually a great sign. This is still kind of in this ascending triangle, so we just need that break again above 40, and then hopefully 45 cents. NFA, guys, NFA. All right, so just remember, you are your own decision maker of your own money and your investments. As long as you're trading safe, you know your limits, and you know how to keep that money ball rolling. All right, so we'll just quickly look at what's going on with GME. It's actually up. We're having a little climb. 2850. Remember that we had closed at we had closed at 28.36, so we're just up a couple of cents, which is pretty good so far, and we need to hit $29. All right, $29 is the target for that after market, no, overnight market. Let's see. I'm so fucking excited, says Robert. Zima? Kevin's suggestion, Zima? Is that a ticker? Zima. Zimala. right after this one, we can go over. Well, we got cooler, and then we had what FFIE, and see what's happening with that one too as well. We got a couple of things going on here. We got 3.44 days to cover here on short interest ratio for cooler, and short interest percentage float of 7.26. We got a short interest of 10,488,572 shares, and as of right now, 6 hours ago, updated. Let's update it again. Updated now. So only 200,000 shares left available to short. It came back down from 400,000 as a day ago, and as of right now, it's slowly increasing in cost of borrow fees. So at 5.68%. So it's not bad at all. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna keep an eye on that big culo. You know what I'm saying? Say cooler, and we'll see what's happening afterwards. 28.54. 28.54. It looks good so far. Looks good so far. We have another little climb here on GME, so we need that to start hitting up, picking up some speed there. Because if we hit $29, this could push a little bit more. So we want to see that. Zima's a 7-0. Dude, my bad. I thought it was I thought it was actually a ticker symbol. I'm actually curious. Let's see if that's actually a real ticker symbol. No, it's not. Okay. I tried. There was FFIE2 as well. See what's happening here. Hourly looks like it's been consolidating in this range. So it's staying above the 50 cent level. 50 cents exactly. Let's look at the 4-hour. Well, actually, let's look at the 24-hour chart real quick, because this thing looks pretty tight. And I want to check something too as well. I want to look at FFIE, and then I want to look at AMC. Huh. Okay. Okay, so momentum. Let's see, momentum based. This looks a little tight here. So I don't know if it's actually trying to hold up or is actually trying to establish a bottom here. But just know that the last support here was at around 38 to 40 cents. So if it continues to become bearish, that's the next level of support, in my opinion, 40 cents. But if this actually holds, we could see things turn back around here. And if I zoom in just a little bit like that, just like that, yeah, like that, we can see a little opening there, as if it wants to actually push up a lot more to break past over 51 cents and then try to come back to like 55. So perhaps we can look at this level and this for support. And see what happens tomorrow. Okay. What is FFIE looking like on the short interest? Alright, so it's a women's beverage. Zima? Let me see this. Zima? Oh, dude. Dude, I haven't seen it since I was a kid. I used to go to the bodega and I used to see this. Wow. Oh, it was manufactured by the Coors Brewing Company. introduced in 93, and it was introduced in Japan in 96. Alcohol was only from 4.7 to 5.4% volume. It was a clear, lightly carbonated alcoholic beverage made and distributed by the Coors Brewing Company. It was marketed as an alternative to beer. So it kind of reminds you of maybe Smirnoff. Is that close to what it is, or? Because obviously I couldn't have that because I was a kid and I wasn't legal. So let's see if it's still being made. Today you can't find Zima anywhere in the US, though it is sold in Japan. Wow. So however, thanks to a recipe posted to Zima's Facebook page, nostalgic Zima seekers can make something that tastes like it at home. That's pretty cool. That's interesting. It was alright if you had nothing. Yeah, pretty close to like. Okay. It's not bad. Well, Faraday has a whopping 7.2 million short shares available, and still relatively low here in the cost to borrow percentage here at 1086. So that's that for Faraday. Let's see if there's any type of updates here regarding GameStop. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna switch here. So we're gonna go into Reddit. Here Benjamin just mentioned E-Trade has to give Roaring Kitty about 4 million shares. So yeah, that T1 settlement too that we were talking about earlier. Yeah, they gotta deliver that. So you know what? Here is pretty much the same thing that's being said here on. Oh, this is actually Boss's. Oh, this is Boss Blunts' post. Oh wow, on Superstonk. Yeah, I could agree with you, Travis. Well, I mean, yeah, yeah. Oh no, I mean, she has to be included, of course. Can't leave her out, leave her hanging like that. LOML. Know what I'm saying? So let's read this real quick. Roaring Kitty sold 79,900 call contracts for 70 million yesterday. Today he exercised 40,010 call contracts to receive 4 million 1,000 shares of GameStop. He now has 9 million 1,000 shares and 6.5 million in cash. So the market maker Wolverine now needs to deliver 4 million 1,000 shares by tomorrow due to T+1 settlement by market close, possibly by close of after hours, which is right now, technically speaking, but there hasn't been any type of activity as of yet, as of right now. So we're waiting to see what happens. But it's on a standby. It's kind of consolidating still. So we're just waiting to see if there's anything that occurs within the next 15 minutes or so. I don't want to wake up Buttercup. No. She's she's had a long week, so I just let her rest. Poor thing, you know. But if she decides to probably pop up, maybe at 9 o'clock, maybe. Who knows? She's up 22 hours? Wait, you serious? She was up for 22 hours? Nah, for real. That ass? $28.42. Pam says AMC looks nasty. If you're talking about the barcodes, yeah, that looks nasty. And I haven't seen AMC barcode in a while, so I think Johnny is a little bit left behind. Yeah, that feels horrible. You know, just only having 2 hours of sleep, but imagine doing that consecutively on a daily. You feel like shit. Culo Johnny, tu culo. Somebody tell Johnny that he is far behind in the stream. Oh, okay. If you know, you know. Hold on, I think I need to accept this. There you go. But you already know. I mean, GameStop blows, AMC blows. It's all gonna be in tandem, and it's gonna be a whop whop whop. You know. One second here. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, sucio. No bueno. Look at that. Look at this. 4 hour. If this actually, okay, so you got the 7 day simple moving average on the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin crossed under the 200 day simple moving average, which is bearish, of course. Now you have the situation where the 50 day here is closing in on a potential death cross. And what happens when you have a death cross?
Oh my god, no! Damn it, BTC, damn it! You're going down.
And that's what I'm seeing so far, in my opinion, of course. Nothing's really certain. But I did have, for some reason, I don't know why I had these fractals here, this bars pattern. But, you know, I'm still thinking that, you know, Bitcoin could have the potential, and not, you know, tomorrow, sometime within this weekend, like I mentioned yesterday, for Bitcoin to reach 62,000, maybe below, if the market starts to crash, which I would like for to happen. But yeah, because I remember I told you there have been many chances for Bitcoin to break over 72,000, over 72, 73,000. What was the last high? 73,794. But to break over that, it had many attempts, and it had failed once, and it failed twice, 3 times, and even 4 times. And so, and it looks wrong. What is this? So, in my opinion, that's, you know, that is that further leads me to believe that is failure to break over, and now it's gonna want to start to move back to the downside, because now we have that signal here since the 6th of June, the bearish signal, and some MOA divergence to come. And look, you have all this here to come back down and to test this level here in the 5-1 MACD. So if they're trying to liquidate and stuff, then who knows? Maybe they have to, and this is just speculation. Maybe they have to liquidate some Bitcoin to be able to cover some positions. How about that? Because that's also another possibility. We've seen it happen before in terms of being able to cover some positions. They have to get into their crypto and sell a whole bunch. But that's just me, though. I don't know what you guys think about that, but could be possible. Could be possible. The daily. Speaking of AMC, as Pam was mentioning earlier, I like the setup. You know why? Because we've been established the bottom a long time ago. Here you see the 50-day simple moving average, making that move to the upside. This is what you want to see. You want to see, and this is the beautiful part. And I hope this happens. Okay? You either have this start to slowly come down as the 50-day simple moving average is slowly meeting with the 200, and hopefully we get ourselves that golden cross on the daily, which would be magnificent. Of course, could have some swings here and there, but this is supposed to be the ideal setup for a massive push to the upside for AMC. That's kind of I want to exclude GME based on that hypothetical TA, but this is pretty much the, like, low-key, that is the idea. So if that happens, things get tight and we get that golden cross on the daily, oh, forget about it. Oh my god, this is, just imagine, right? Where did we get that last golden cross on the daily for AMC? Let's see. Oh, back over here. Okay, so I guess if you want to use this as reference, the last time it actually crossed above the 200 moving average was back in February 2021, and it led to such a crazy push to the upside. In the long term, you know what I'm saying, you know. So the fact that this cycle is just about to begin again, in my opinion, with the 50-day simple moving average moving closer and closer to that delicious 200-day simple moving average, is very possible, my friend. Yes, to have that beautiful golden cross and break out from there. Yes. Is that the same thing for GME? Let's see. Well, actually, hey, you know what? That is crazy. That is crazy. So take a look at that, right? I'm gonna move a little bit closer. I just saw a little similarity here from that after that January run. Remember this? I just saw that on the daily too for AMC. Let's go back here. I gotta scroll all the way again. Jesus. My goodness. Right here. Isn't that an interesting find here? Same exact thing here happening. You know what? As a matter of fact, hold on. Can I? Let me just open up another one here. Let's see. Wait, hold on. Oh, Robert Kennedy is starting his drink now. Gotcha. I gotta catch up with the chat. I gotta catch up with you guys and see what's up. Market makers says Benjamin are trying to put hard. They're trying hard to push the June 21st contracts less in the money with dated DK, but tomorrow will shock them. Oh yeah. Especially if, let's say, like, you know, if data DK comes into play, then you would know that the contracts would be a lot more cheaper for Roaring Kitty to buy. Just speculating, being hypothetical here. Those contracts are going to be a lot more cheaper, and it's gonna result in massive contracts in his position if he were to decide to do that. But then again, you know, it depends on if he wants to gamble and put in so much premium in those contracts, because man, like I think he would cause a lot more pressure, and say maybe GME just explodes. So what I was gonna show you real quick, this is the scenario here that happened this past May, which I found interesting. So pretty much here you got this same crossover with the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. And as I look at AMC back in the run after January 29th, it pulled off that same exact little crossover here. So yeah, just look at that, and you notice, if you can tell, they've had similar situations here where AMC had that move. It's pretty identical. I just found that interesting. The only thing is that Jimmy had a bigger bounce, but here for AMC, it had been more of a longer term climb here back to those high levels here, technically at 76-80 bucks. So the fact that I'm seeing this on GME will only lead me to believe that GME will definitely have more of that push to the upside and a lot more to climb, and perhaps reaching back to 40, 50, depending on the situation with Roaring Kitty and his contracts and all that, and what he decides to do with those 4 million cash or 6 million cash free to trade with once it settles. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on that? Robert Kennedy is starting his drinking now. Red Stripe Jamaican Lager. Wow. I wonder how that tastes. I'm not Jamaican, but I'm Jamaican some money. Red's Hard Apple was doing Miller. I spilled his beer. Oh shoot. Selling BTC for liquidity, pay up suckers. Yep. I believe that they have to tap into their crypto accounts and also their big cap stocks, including SPY, and get to liquidating to cover those positions. That would be wonderful. Okay, so there you go. So Travis pretty much answered my question. 6 million cash ready. Pam loves. Oh, so you're loving the discount on Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love Bitcoin at a discount when it goes to 20K. I think RK and RC are working together to punish the shorts. I would love that. Matt K says, I will gamble your mom. Turn the music down 25% por favor. I got you. I will do that right now. And let me know how that sounds. guys, because Matt K has sensitive ears. I'm sorry to blow your ears out, man. But how's everything with you and the fam, Matt K? It's good to see you. In Mother Russia, yeah, it's my family talking in the background. They're megaphones. Travis says, Matt, that would only be fair given I took your mom, but please tell her to stop calling me. Pam says, if the squeeze is good enough, I won't be homeless anymore. Started from the bottom and now we're here. Hey. All the positive vibes. We know we're all gonna make it. We're gonna be there at the top. So, just keep focused, keep zen, and know that is not gonna be the case. Because we're gonna be situated. We're gonna be at a better place, in a better home, in a better setting, and financially stable. So Pam, hang on tight. You already know, patience is a virtue. And we've all been here practically 3 to 4 years, holding this, and just going through the trials and tribulations, and going through and seeing firsthand what the hell is going on in the markets and what they're doing to these stocks, and it's just quite evident that there's definitely some foul play and some other things that's going on in the background behind closed doors. And you know what? It's karma. I think it's karma. I think the whole system will eventually shat itself. Things will hit the fan, and they would have to pay. So, by all means, hang tough. All right, hang tough. Be tough for your kids, for your family. Stay focused, because I know you're gonna make it to the top. Currently, GameStop back up at $28.54 here on the 24-hour market trading on Robinhood. It would be nice if we could actually get an actual chart that we can actually move around and see what's happening. I'm still waiting for Robinhood to actually upgrade their chart software and stuff. So I hope that happens, because maybe I can zoom in and do stuff. But we'll see, because it's just been consistently being in this this could be either a ascending triangle, or it could be maybe just an upper channel so far. That I can't even draw. I need a line. I need an actual straight line. Something like that. Let's see. 2854 says Travis. Tomorrow should be interesting. Lion, stay live, bro. I mean, sure. I mean, yeah. I could definitely hang out with you guys for a little bit more until you guys want to go to bed. maybe just maybe Zelly might wake up around that time and actually come into the stream. But in the meantime, oh wait, I got you. Wait, did it go through? Hold on. Where is it? Oh, I can't see the comment. Oh, it's probably going fast. Mark Maddox, what's Lion pumping other than himself? I don't, oh gosh. Jeez. Yeah, that's the thing about Robinhood. They're so, it's like an iPhone. It's just simple to use, but God, like I don't know. Overall, yeah. Do you see what I see? It's a cute dog. Cute dog. Let's see. Yeah, awesome. Can't wait to talk to you. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot going on, so I can't really like come up with a comeback. What's line pumping other than himself? Shoot. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just like my brain is actually tired. I'm trying to come back to life. And I don't know. I just don't know. Well, actually, you know what? Now that he mentioned about GTII, I don't know if you guys are you guys still I don't know. Have you gotten into this? Like, I don't know. Tell me. Oh, this thing is still neutral. 18.56% cost to borrow today. 1,300,000. I keep seeing 1,300,000, 1,200,000. It's been like that forever, and I don't understand. What I want to know what the holdup is, but I would like to see GTII do some crazy numbers, and we can be able to just give ourselves a little hypothetical TA here, because as you know, and as I talked about before, GTII has gone through the same thing as well. Heavily shorted, massively shorted, whatever you could think of. You got some bad guys on the other side, taking advantage. But hear me out. Remember, I told you this looks like it's actually trying to rebound. It's actually finding. You know what? It's finally deciding to establish a bottom here at around 9 cents, close to 10 cents. As a matter of fact, it actually almost hit 11 cents today. And there was a volume of 473,000 shares traded. And it looks to me like we are finally seeing something positive in GTII, in my opinion, where we're seeing this starting to cross, and which looks like it could be a convergence here and starting to expand just like it did over here. And if that happens, and as of the Elliott wave plus TTM squeeze gets hotter, more caliente, as the bars turn a lot more orange, red orange, I would be stoked if this actually were to start coming right back up and moving up in momentum, and GTII finally getting to see, finally getting its redemption, and finally seeing a move back to the upside and retesting levels here that we haven't seen in a while, since May of 29, back to 12 cents and probably 15 cents here. So I'm still waiting for GTII to be the summer of GTII, and for something crazy to happen within this area, within this time frame. So again, this is just one of the stocks that I have been watching for about 2+ years. believe it or not, because the last run that GTII had was back in October of 2022. So, mind you, this was a big explosion. If you don't know much about what happened around that time, there was a massive explosion here from 65 cents all the way to almost $9, which had a massive gain here over 1,200% in about 10 days. And imagine that. Imagine that. And that's being a micro cap stock too as well. So, yeah, I am actually surprised. I'm actually surprised that I'm actually seeing this type of move right now. And as I go here on the 4-hour chart, it's also getting hot here. It's getting hot in the whole. Right here we have the convergence here continuing and playing out, while here the Elliott wave is getting hotter and moving up too as well. So now I'm gonna have to watch this, and I'm gonna have to see if perhaps next week I can be able to get into some shares here for GTII, not financial advice, and get it super cheap, close to 9-10 cents. And remember, just a slight move, even if it goes up to like 20 cents, that's you making a massive gain here of about 100% and above. So, just an idea. Not telling you guys to do, to buy or do anything with the stock. I'm just putting it out there, And remember, there's two GTIIs. There's one here, but that's in the OTC, and then there's another one that's called Green Thumb Industries, which is a cannabis stock. It's in the process industries and the agricultural commodities milling sector. So completely different. Interesting chart though, even though we're not in Canada, but yeah, looks pretty cool. Looks healthy. And let's see. I know somebody said gold and silver, so let's go check gold and silver and see how that's doing. Because last time we checked, gold was coming down pretty hard last night. And we had massive red candles here from 23.75, and now it's all the way down to a low of 22.86. And so now it's attempting to do somewhat of a warning star pattern, and perhaps here fulfill a double bottom. Maybe we get a little double bottom. Some some of this action here. And then try to climb back over 23.20, 23.30 here, and see if we can have metals rip a new one. And let's see, silver right now. Silver is actually still below. It's actually still below the 200-day simple moving average, and what it looks like it wants to do a death cross, and probably has some more downside potential here, and actually making silver a lot more cheaper for us to buy. I would love some more silver coins. That'd be awesome. I gotta start making a collection. So Eric, that was GTI was your classic IPO trade, really? Wait, hold on. When was this? Was this back around 2020, 2019 or something? Or how did that come about? It's interesting. We're gonna look at Peggy real quick and see what she's doing. What is she up to? Oof. Oh, she's definitely below the 200-day simple moving average. Oof. No bueno, no bueno. I think Peggy's done, in my opinion. Mark R doesn't even want to know about Peggy anymore. I think he literally just left her out in the cold, never to be seen again. Then we have Barnes and Noble here after the post reverse split, the 101 reverse split, and actually it was up about a good 40 something percent during market day, which left me a little bit speechless because usually sometimes reverse splits are not good for stocks. I mean they're not good in general, but there's something going on here. Something going on with BNED, and this setup right here looks interesting for sure. Let's see. The theta pattern, yeah. Oh my god. GameStop still at 28.52, so still climbing slowly but surely. Hopefully we get to $29. Kevin, it's always a pleasure, and we'll see you tomorrow at the DZ stream for sure. I'll be there, and you have a great rest of your night. You sleep well. Much love, man. Let's see, BNED. BNED. Oh, they stacked it up on shares for 450,000 short shares available. Cost of borrow dropped a lot from, wow, it was actually at a high of 295.68%. And now down to 57.63. Still somewhat high, but wow, that's actually surprising. Very nice. Very nice for sure. All right, hold on. Let's continue reading on this that we see here. So, from what he's saying here, this is just speculation and opinion. He says here that Wolverine will be looking to trick people by shorting GME, pushing down the price in order to buy shares from retail at a lower price to deliver the exercised shares. If they fail to trick retail into selling, the stock could moon. If they succeed, the stock could go up quite a lot even still. The reason he did today, Thursday, was so that the market makers would have to deliver tomorrow. And that's for a T+1 settlement. And this forces more calls in the money on Friday to close to create it. To create a gamma squeeze. So, in his opinion, Wolverine is fracked, motherfracka. And if he bought shares without exercising, he wouldn't have bought 1,000 more shares just for no reason. Also, it wouldn't cause the Infinity Gauntlet squeeze in order to repeat this. Roaring Kitty now has the same number of shares that Ryan Cohen had in 2020. Wow, how ironic. This makes Roaring Kitty the fourth largest GME shareholder in the world. Delta hedging by the market makers bringing many calls in the money on Friday. End of week destroying Max Payne. Gamma squeeze incoming. FOMO buying incoming. Infinity Gauntlet rinse and repeat. He wants us to share this to other people, so not financial advice. Wow. That's huge. That's really huge. Glad to see it. Glad to see it for sure. There's a shill here that's saying it's gonna go down. Apparently, Let's see if there's anything updated on what's happening. As for me, I like the stock. It looks different, huh? You notice that? It's a little different. Wow, okay. Roaring Kitty now owns $262 million in GameStop shares as options vanish. Yep, a lot of things happening here. Let's see what he says here. Timing. He punched it when it would have the most broad impact, not when it would serve him personally best. Tomorrow, a lot of things come due thanks to the cycles. And on top of all the other FTD obligations, now the market makers have a ton of GME shares they need to find and deliver by end of day. So there's going to be buying on the open market, jacking the price up, which will in turn send a lot of other options chains into a position of being in the money. Those 35s and 40s and 45s will suddenly be viable plays, and every one of those must be filled within the T+1. He just lit a fuse. The dynamite stakes are stretched for miles, each explosion causing one another. You like to also probably call it a domino effect too as well. I think that's what's probably going to happen. I would, and from what we were saying too, I mean, they're going to have to find some way to liquidate and find those shares and cover, which would be nuts. Let's see, who don't love a good old squeeze, gamma squeeze? I sure do, Pam. Let's go, Kitty. Here comes retail. Ephraim says, man, what an idea he is talking about. Pam says he is just gonna scooch in there and we own the rest. So he's lighting the fuse to the dynamites. We are the dynamites, and we're gonna tap in and we're gonna make it explode with him, in my opinion, which will eventually lead into that scenario taking place. So by all means, I'm all for it. I really hope that happens. I'm really excited for sure. Give me 1 second as I actually look at the S&P 500 futures again. What the hell is going on here? Man, I am so... Gosh, I feel like it has to somehow just fill this gap. Are we ever gonna see this just collapse? Ugh. 5 minutes. Man, this is crazy. I mean, it's literally holding up. What is the SPY doing? Ah, boy. U.S. futures steady after another record close. And let's keep the bullish articles coming. Let's keep it pumping, shall we? Awesome. What is LIG? Does not exist. But LIG does. Good try. It doesn't exist. So, alright, so I'm gonna stick around for a little bit more and then I'm gonna head out and call it a night. Spy has superpowers by the PPT. That's the only thing I can think of. They're just prepping the hell out of it. It's gonna be the drop. Once it happens, it's gonna be huge, huge. That's all I gotta say. Hey Travis, you do what you gotta do, man. Spend some quality time with your son, hang out with him, and I'm probably gonna, again, like I said, stick around for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna call it a night because I know we have to freshen up and we have to focus for tomorrow, for pre-market, for market open. It's TGIF. All right, and we gotta set the score here. We got something to settle with these people, and we're just gonna see what happens too, as we're seeing. As we're seeing GameStop currently at 28.57. So 28.60. Okay, so there's some type of buy with some type of pressure happening here. So we're just gonna stick around for a little bit more and see what happens. Just a little bit. And hoping that we actually see what happens here. What is this? What is going on here? Is it 16 hours? Huh. Is that interesting here? 16 hours ago, every single like or repost I've ever done for Ryan Cohen has been completely scrubbed by X. Did the same thing happen for anyone else? Huh. Ah. That's crazy. Huh. Suspicious. Suspicious. Or so suspicious. Look at more detail and seeing what happened here. So GameStop annual meeting on Thursday was cut short after high interest from shareholders led to a technical issue. Damn, so all the retail investors, shareholders broke the virtual meeting. They broke the servers. The issue was caused by an unprecedented demand from shareholders looking to access the company's annual general meeting. That's funny. That's hilarious. Whoa, what is that? I thought he was gonna do something with that. That looked a little bit sus. Apparently, this guy is saying, remember, Roaring Kitty said he was saving the magic 8-ball for later. There you go. This guy says, I'm sorry, but if they drop it, I'll just buy more. There's nothing to panic about. I want them to dig their grave. Very interesting. All right, man. Wow. 15 minutes ago, somebody posted here as of today at 1:20 Pacific time. Inverse Kramer is 90% accurate, so get prepared for a massive short squeeze on AMC. Says Jim Cramer says you should sell AMC Entertainment Holdings. Really? Did you say that? No, is this fake? Is this for real? Wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Inverse Kramer. Right. That's true. Dune. Let's look into that. Let's look into that and see what happens. Wait a minute. No, they're really gonna play this speculation for sure? No way, dude. It's his birthday tomorrow? Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna hold that thought. We're gonna come back to that. But let's see. So you have Dune 1 and Dune 2 on Dolby and Experience at AMC. Says Eric G. And then you have Inside Out, which sounds sus too. Has been already been released in some countries and it's breaking records. So that's that. Wow. So if Inside Out 2 is making records, I mean that should definitely be another fuse lit. Wow. That's crazy. Hey, you already know, man. You got your first priority. It's your son. I respect it, dude. That's sweet, man. Man. All right. What's the top for this? I mean, I gotta agree. I mean, it looks good overall. Looks like it's all playing out. So all the charts just look so amazing. Mama's not happy to see me do this. Oh shoot! He actually took all the AMC movie ticket, the cards, and put it on a Regal. That's crazy. That's hilarious. Oh sh. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna look at it real quick right now and see what's happening with the SPY still consolidating. Yeah, we're gonna look at Jimmy for a little bit, as it looks like it's actually trying to push up a lot more, inching closer and closer away to 29 bucks. And see even if it can actually make it to the green and stay over in the green, that would be actually nice, because therefore you would have the $28 and the $29 contracts in the money. You got a decent volume in there, but also for the June 21st calls, all of this in the money. And then you have the $30 strike calls here up in open interest and volume. Let's see. 2684, 2865. Come on, 20. Okay, you know what? There's some action here. Some action happening here. I saw 2868. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Oh man. Come on, at least give me 2870. Come on, 2870. Give it to me. No. Stay up. Push it. I want it. Let's go. Push it now. 2870. Come on. You got this. Someone is there lurking around to buy some more. Come on. No, no 67. 70. 70. Come on. Come on. Jeez. You want 8 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents. They're playing with us. They're playing with our emotions with the 67 cents, 68 cents. Gosh. Come on, baby. Give me this 30. 30's right over here. I mean, it's definitely possible, for sure. 30 would be easy. 30 would be easy, especially going into pre-market tomorrow. And if Roaring Kitty does exactly what he's planning to do tomorrow, which would easily ascend this back past $30 into 35. I mean, God knows willingly like how volatile GME can get. But yo, I am BTF, man. Good to see you on the stream. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming on here and chanting it up. And your thoughts of what's happening. There goes the 2870. So we hit 2870, 2871. Seeing if we see a little bit more buying pressure here, as we're looking at GME trade in the 24-hour trading session, overnight hours, whatever you want to call it, 24-hour markets. But yeah, slowly moving up. Can't complain about that. And see if. Let's see what is going on here. So you're still trying to catch up here. That's interesting. Right, 2872. Got a little curl up. Let's go quickly and check what's happening with the dollar index. Oh, and if actually, Bitcoin is moving a little bit more down again. So last time it was at about 66,600 and change. Now it's starting to want to break down below and try to reach back at 66,400 and below that. DXY, where's the DXY at right now? Okay, so the DXY looks like it was attempting to break out of the level here at 105.28. You know that anything after this, it would probably result in the market to come down and a little bit more, but for some reason the dollar index is actually moving the opposite direction there. It's actually trying to come back down. So the idea pretty much is that the SPY would have to actually push up a bit more, and it's something that I honestly don't want to see. I don't. It's horrible. It's freaking horrible. Yeah, it's giving a little push right now, but right now, down 29 cents, just below 1%, 28.80. So it's moving. We're getting some push here in volume for GameStop. So we'll see what happens here in a few moments. As we're chilling here and just vibing, nothing but positive vibes, positive energy, manifesting for the greater things in life, for things to happen, for things to flourish and come into fruition, for everything to finally settle and see the results that we've been wanting to wait for, well, that we've been waiting for a few years. And slowly but surely, it's getting there. It's getting there. $28.80. Could we possibly hit $28.80? Gotta see if that happens. Come on, $28.80. Let's see. Other things happening over here. Yeah, it's slowly but surely. All right. Well, I should call it. Actually, I should call it right now. I wanna. I'm just tempted to say it a little longer, but yeah, I don't know. I'm afraid that I might miss something exciting. I don't know. All right, so we're gonna do this. All right, 28.80. All right, you don't want me to go, GameStop? 28.81. All right, so you're telling me, okay, so just stick around, right? 28.82. 28.84. Okay, we're getting a little push now. 28.85. 28.88. All right. All right, it's moving. It's moving here. 28.88. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on right now. We need that push. We need to hit 29 bucks before I get off the stream. It's about to be 10 o'clock soon. 28.89. Yeah, it's time to put some tape on my eyelids and keep it open. Fuck. Good evening, Zelly. Nice to finally see you on here. And know that you're almost 3 hours late. I'm just joking. But I did leave a message, so hopefully you saw that. And just know. So, oh, here we go. There we go. It just jumped. It just jumped to 28.98. We'll see 29 bucks. And we just hit $29. On overnight trading, $29, and we're heading closer to that closing price of $29.12. So that's awesome. That is awesome. So we hit that. Can we stay and maintain that buying pressure, that volume? Yes, we are. 29.03. Currently 29.04. It's, you know, no, you cannot go back to sleep. No. Your past has been calling you here to get your future butt in here and make this stock move. 29 bucks currently. 29.04, 29.05. Welcome back, Chris Wilson on the chat, and Pam here too as well. You see, Zelly coming in here, you lighting things up. So thank you for finally showing up. Now, whoa, what the? Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, don't pull that. Don't pull that. Don't pull that. Stay above. Stay above 29. Come on, stop playing. Anyways, I don't go to sleep until Jimmy hits 30 bucks. All right. And then if you hear me getting a little quiet, then you already know why, because I'm not trying to wake up anybody. Oh no. Oh no. I just like to say welcome back, because I haven't seen you in the chat. So even if you come, went to the bathroom, or whatever, you had to take a shower, and you came back, I gotta say welcome back. Kevin is Kevin had to go, right? Yeah, so you missed him. And there were a couple of people here looking for you. So yeah. If you can possibly Zelly and accept that message, because they YouTube keeps blocking the flaming bananas, and Kai Supreme wants to shoot flaming bananas at GME so it can actually start pushing back up to 29 bucks and hopefully 30 bucks. So it's not elongated anymore, it's exercised plopsicle. Alright, so we're having a little bit of resistance at 29. I'll admit. A little bit of resistance. Gosh, I wish I had a better graph, and I don't know. Let me see something. So if it's 29, and it should be somewhere around, so it should be somewhere around like this, maybe, because it's let me see, it's 949, so maybe it's like so around here somewhere. So it's been on a upper channel technically. If I could do this correctly, and let me see, perhaps it follows throughout this channel and then start to break over. That's what we need to see. But you can notice here too as well in the RSI that we have a little bit of a curl up, and the RSI here, and the MACD here looking to push up some more as it actually flips into the green in a convergence, and hopefully the MACD starts to climb back up and pull some more moves, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Hey, ice cream. Thank you, Madres. Oh my god, this tastes so good. Kai Supreme, what's going on with you? What is your story? Where did the whole origin of the flames start? Let's see. Let's go back, because for some reason the price is not updating on that chart, which is something that again, Robinhood should really look into investing in a better charting system. So yeah. Oh my god, my jaw. Oh, I just cracked my jaw. Oh my god. Ooh. Yo, that actually hurt. So since Zelly is in here, we can update you on what's happening as of right now, and maybe no, actually no, you were knocked out. Apparently Jim Cramer just said, if you've been buying Nvidia, keep buying. How do you guys feel about Roaring Kitty's decision on exercising his calls? Genius? Okay, people think he's genius. Oh, what's this? Okay, hold on. Let's pause. Let's pause this a little bit. Let's listen to this.
That's right, a bonus. TNT, the plot is thickened in the Roaring Kitty saga. According to the latest update to his Reddit account, Keith Gill has revealed he has sold part or all of his 120,000 GameStop call options that are set to expire next Friday. He's now also bought another 4,001,000 shares of GameStop, selling the options, buying the stock. That means, carry the one, do the math, Gill now has 9,001,000 shares of GameStop. 9,001,000. Why is that interesting? Well, as MarketWatch notes, it's equivalent to the exact number of shares that current CEO Ryan Cohen held in late 2020, just before the original meme stock mania began. And this would also make Roaring Kitty, like Keith Gill from Massachusetts, the fourth largest shareholder of GameStop with a 2.1% stake in the company. Guy literally in his house in Massachusetts a couple years ago, now the fourth largest owner of GameStop. America.
Ding 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 ding. That is your little update there. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this reported by Last Call on CNBC. Unbelievable. And the fact that he has $6 million, what was it, $6 million cash at hand, or about to be settled for trading tomorrow. And knowing the fact that T+1 here, in effect, they have to deliver those shares that he got from exercising those contracts. So, and Zelly here, there was a post here by Boss. So again, I know you guys have heard of it already. I'm gonna go over it again for Zelly. I think I'm gonna have a silent but deadly from this ice cream. I keep eating it. So as you know, he has 9,001,000 shares and 6.5 million in cash. Market maker Wolverine now needs to deliver 4,001,000 shares by tomorrow due to T+1 settlement by market close, or possibly by close of after hours. Now, I want to assume that he's talking about market close today, as of like right now, after the close of after hours, because as you can see, like we had some action happening here as of 5:55 in the evening, from 27.33 to now 28, back to 28.70. Since we actually cracked $29 here earlier a few moments ago. But here, that's why like I actually stayed on for a little bit longer just to see if there would be any type of action or activity happening. But perhaps Roaring Kitty is taking a night and sleeping, and perhaps getting ready to wake up for pre-market and actually doing something with those $6.5 million in cash settled, ready to trade, in my opinion. So imagine that he's just waiting to You know? Yeah, exactly. Just what Chris Wilson said. Straight sniper. He's getting ready for the aim. He's putting in that 50 cal bullet right there. Yeah, yeah. And then he's gonna, and then get ready for the target because he's looking for 50 a share. And then he's gonna buy more. And then and God knows what he's gonna do with his cash at hand. Oh my God! Like, but could you imagine? Because now that those contracts were in the money and he made his cash and he made his gains. I mean, you're getting closer and closer to expiration on the 21st. So, let alone that, and you have data decay as we had mentioned together on chat earlier. I mean, the contracts would be technically a lot more cheaper than what he got it for, meaning he would uh, have a bigger position in contracts for the same. Well, actually, not the same, but he would actually go on to perhaps purchasing maybe a strike that's not in the money yet. Perhaps maybe the $30 strike, which is actually already like high in volume at about 22,765 and an open interest of 55,269. So added to that and added to the pressure and the gamma and all that stuff, I mean, like, my opinion in that, not that I have much experience in figuring these things out, but common sense would otherwise tell me, that's a cause for a big explosion, if you might say, because quite frankly, that is a lot, and knowing the fact that if it does hit 30, and what if he took a position in that, and all of a sudden he's in the money in there too, gamma squeeze too. But we're gonna keep reading on this because I wanted to finish and reiterate what Boss Plus said here for Zelly. And I appreciate everybody who smashed the like button. Thank you. Thank you, Zelly. Thank you, Chris, Travis, Eric, and everybody who's still here. Kai Supreme, Pam. Those we got here still in the chat. Yeah, you guys are the real ones, so thank you. I am BTF. Thank you too as well. Man, that's awesome. I think Plopsicle's still here too. Yeah, so and you got the whole thing with Wolverine, the market maker, that needs to deliver those 4,000,000 shares. But as you know, there's always going to be some type of trick here that will, probably play out because they'd like to mess around with retail and kind of give people the fake out. But Wolverine would, in speculation, of course, and his opinion that they will be looking to trick people by shorting GME, pushing the price down lower in order to buy shares from retail at a lower price to deliver the exercise shares, because they don't want to deliver those shares at a more pricier, at a more higher price. They'll be losing a shat ton of money, and they'll be fracked. They'll be fracked like a motherfucker, right? So, by all means, and quickly, if they fail to trick retail into selling, which already 99.99999% of retail don't believe in that mantra of selling. They believe in the diamond hands. They believe in the hodl process. Nobody would ever even think about selling at this point, because that means that Wolverine will fail miserably, and that would cause the stock to moon, and that would cause so much pressure, so much freaking pressure that Wolverine would be fucked. So, that being said, what if the way happens where they succeed, the stock could go, the stock, could go up quite a lot even still. And the reason that he did it today, Thursday, so that the market makers have to deliver tomorrow. This forces more calls in the money on Friday. Close, creating a gamma squeeze. So Wolverine is. And if he bought shares without exercising, he wouldn't have bought 1,000 more shares just for no reason. Also, it wouldn't cause the Infinity Gauntlet squeeze in order to repeat this. Because as that guy mentioned on CNBC, RK, Roaring Kitty, has now the same number of shares that Ryan Cohen had in 2020. So delta hedging by the market makers, bringing many calls in the money tomorrow, end of week, destroying Max Payne. Well, what does this mean? Gamma squeeze incoming, FOMO buying, Infinity Gauntlet, rinse and repeat. Oof. That's gonna be something that we are gonna closely watch tomorrow. This Jimmy will be tested. Will be tested for sure. By all means, by all means, this is awesome. We couldn't be living at a better time, a better moment as this. As you already know that we are so close. We are so close. We could just taste the flaming bananas and put it in our plate of rice and beans with some grilled chicken and avocado. Sounds good. But yeah, that's a little quick update there. And what the hell is this geese happening here? This tongue really yeah, I don't know what that's all about. But let's see. Real quickly here. What we got going on? Oh yeah, also Zelly, the shareholders meeting was in fact moved to the 14th. No, not the 14th. It's actually being moved to the 17th of June due to technical difficulties. Apparently, supposedly, a bunch of shareholders were trying to access the virtual meeting, and apparently they broke the meeting. They broke the servers. But how could that possibly happen? That makes no sense. Let's quickly do a little bit of click, or maybe precious moments. Some little nice and relaxing, dedicated to the one and only Amy, Jimmy. What is this? Oh, wait a minute. We're talking about that hairy chicken breast. Yeah, that. Yeah, that was hilarious. Like, I literally ran into that in the whole on the Twitter, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, is there any way that I can scroll on Twitter in peace without having to see some type of meat hanging with some hairs attached to it? Like, come on, Elon, do something about that. There's even porn on Twitter. There's even porn on Twitter. Being rated by a whole bunch of nonsense. So everybody's moving to social. Oh man. What is this? What the?
Reddit, Twitter, or X is a real mean place.
What is this? Oh, look at that. Why does the GME stock chart look like Roaring Kitty? Look at that. Got the nice kitty ears. It's so cute. I've never seen this movie, but I want to see it. Anybody know the name of the movie for this? Looks badass. What is this? Check out this clip of Ryan Cohen video discussing GameStop. This was last year, and we did not have near the war chest that we do today. Oh, let's go ahead and let's listen on him here. It's a minute and 11 seconds long.
Against Amazon selling 30-pound bags of pet food in the mail. Tough business.
Yeah.
GameStop, on the other hand, in many ways, Chewy was like a new construction. We built the business from the ground up, knew the business inside and out. GameStop is different. We inherited a bunch of legacy everything and underinvestment across the entire business, people, the entire technology stack, just decades of neglect. And so it's hard to turn around a brick and mortar retailer that's under the kind of pressure that GameStop was and continues to be under. But that was also part of the attraction going into GameStop, was that a transformation the likes of GameStop was really unprecedented, and I was motivated by that. And similarly, selling 30-pound bags of pet food in the mail was also very unpopular, and we figured it out. So yeah, I like tough things.
That's awesome. Okay, hold on. GameStop upgraded to buy by Zax? No way. What is this? The year ending in January 2026 is going to blow dicks off. This is huge. A lot of boomers rely on Zax for investment guidance. You don't say. All right, awesome. Actually, yeah. Let's look at the FTDs. 1 second. How's everybody doing so far in the chat? Everybody's chill. Nice music there to relax to. By the way, speaking of this music that's playing, this is actually music that is my own. I do have a music channel, so by all means, it's already posted on the stream chat. So if you want to show some love and check out the music, feel free. Concrete Jungle City. Lo-fi chill beats with an unpredictable twist. A twist of emotions with smooth, groovy, and sensual tones. So feel free to check it out, show some love. Gracias. Again, that song that's playing right now is called Precious Moments. Right here, released 3 weeks ago. Zelly getting the coffee with some milk and hopefully some bread. Get something in your system and relax. Alright, so let's see, where is the failure to delivers? There's the thing, because usually they don't really update it that well. Oh, the link, yeah. It's actually on top of. Hold on. I'm gonna pin it right now on the stream chat. You're gonna see it pop up right there on the top. Just let me know if you see it. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. So you have the settlement date, which is on May 14th, with 344,501 failure to delivers, which came out to a previous price of $30.45 each. The trade date was at on May 10th of 2024, and the closeout date, T35, is actually tomorrow. So they gotta close out on those failure to delivers tomorrow, apparently. And they're way higher than yesterday's too. So the notional amount is at $10,490,055, with a change of more than 192,000 failure to delivers compared to yesterday. Woohoo! Oh, thank you, Zali, for that. No, I thought perhaps you would be able to see the link on the top of the stream chat, but I guess that's way easier. So thank you, Zali. All right, so this is definitely heavy FTDs. For sure. Up the roof too. Jesus. And then cost of borrow fee. Okay, so updated. What is it? It's 22. So 2 hours ago, this was updated. So now there's only 2,800,000 shares available left, compared to a few hours before of 3,800,000. So down 1 million. Still with a cost of borrow fee of 9.64%. So by all means, let's go and check to see what GameStop is doing. I'm gonna just settle here for another. I'll say another. We'll stay until 10:30 and just continue on and relax and be talking some more. If there's anything anything else that you guys know and you want to share, anything regards to the market, or shoot, it could even be about beer. Please share by all means. And also, if you guys haven't known, I do have a Twitter. Not a Twitter. I do have a Twitter, but I also have a Discord. Free to join. Just come on and talk about what's happening, and and keep Gil here having a seizure. But also posting videos here, sharing information, some charts here, as we were looking here earlier at ticker symbol MIGI. Daily looking quite bullish, quite the setup right there. MIGI. And boy, Xmas Holiday here, which I haven't seen in a while, popped up here to discuss about MIGI and Cooler. So yeah, we go on and we just chatted up there. Yeah, so I will be posting the link for that one soon. Oh, okay, so Travis 20. What? Wait. Oh my god, Travis, you had me. Oh my gosh, but yeah, we're back at $29. We're back at $29 for GameStop here at the 24-hour market, trading only on Robinhood, not sponsored. But yeah, Totally. You know what? Let me just get that going right now. So in case if you guys want to, feel free to jump in and get into the Discord, say hi, and anything that you want to share, feel free. You know, that'll be awesome. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna go into the doc. I'm gonna doc the chat, and I'm gonna come here and post a link. So feel free. I can definitely just set it up and have you accept it right in. So yeah, and thank you Zelly, for that. So right now it's having a struggle. It seems like $29 is it's a heavy resistance for right now. We're gonna slowly check. Let's see. Okay, SPY and future still, having a tough resistance here. Would love this to crash. But looking at GME here, you can tell that 29 is definitely a tough cookie to crack. So if it's possible, we can be able to do that. As you already see that, we're having an uptrend so far. So if I can actually take this, if I can actually take that right there. Let's see. Friday. Wait, is this extended? I don't think this is extended. Oh no, right. So that means it would have to actually gap up from here and then break over. So it would have to come back into this area here, which I actually have it on. So from here and hang on to perhaps maybe fulfill this. That would be awesome. Share for sure. Sure. Oh man, you guys are awesome. I love it. Love you all. All right, so we got Eric G on the Discord. I'm in right here. I'm gonna give you the role of a Lecob. So now you're in. And thank you, Zelly, for sharing the live stream on here. The link. Give you a nice lion emoji and a heart. So thank you for that. And please, if you can, I mean, I don't know how else for us to be able to get this going up into the atmosphere and reach 500. Man, that'd be great. That'd be great. $439 so far, so almost 440 subs here. So wow. So we got 61 to go. All right. You know what? That's true. That's true. I actually forgot to share the stream. So I'm gonna do that right now. I mean, if it makes a difference, maybe. Hopefully it does. Let's go and let's do that. Let's do that real quick. Oh, 24 likes. I'm gonna give myself a like. Shh. Don't say anything to anybody. I'm gonna go in and share it on the tweeters, which I should be doing on